Hello xCloud users. Welcome to a new xCloud tutorial where we will show you how to efficiently manage full server backup on xCloud. Let's get started. First, navigate to the Servers tab on the top of your xCloud dashboard. Select the server where you want to do a full backup by clicking on it. From the server dashboard, click on the backup option in the left side panel. Now, toggle to enable backup under Provider Backup Settings. Click on the Save Settings button to proceed. A warning window will appear. Hit the Enable Backup button here. Next, select a backup frequency option from the corresponding drop-down. Also, set a day of the month for the backup. Then, click on the Update Schedule button. A warning window will appear. Hit the Update Backup Schedule button here. That's it. Your selected backup settings will be successfully saved. This is how easy it is to manage full server backup on xCloud. Don't forget to like and share this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss any updates. Have a great day.